How to find your drafts on Instagram. So here, all you have to do is to proceed to your Instagram application, right? Now, first and foremost is you have to make sure that you have your draft on Instagram saved. Now, to do that, you have to make sure you will post a video here. So for example, this video, tap on next on the upper right, and here tap on next again, and here you will see save draft, right? Click on that and it will be automatically be saved to your drafts. Now, where to find our draft on Instagram? Now, to do that, here go back to the post section right here. You'll see the plus sign icon, click on that, and beside here you will see the drafts option here. Click that, and then you'll see all your drafts, and basically that is it. And that is how you find your drafts on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.